In this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit money in CoinEx. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to their official website and sign into your account. There's a link down below I left in the description so you can go ahead and check it out yourself. And to deposit money, you then want to hover over Assets over here, up top right, and then click on the Deposit button. After this, you have to select the coin/token you want to actually deposit. So I'm going to go ahead and select some USDC over here, okay? And then when you do that, you're going to have to basically select the network you want to send over. So I'm actually going to send some USDC on here via the Solana network. And then after this here, you're going to see the risk reminder. So this means that it's going to generate an address which is only going to be available for the USDC Solana deposit, okay? So make sure, again, you actually do read this before sending, because otherwise you could lose all your funds, okay? Now, after you do it, go ahead and click on I'm aware of the risk and press confirm, and then your address is going to be generated over here. You will also get your QR code. Now, don't send to this very address over here. This is mine. You will get your own address, and make sure you actually copy and use your own address, or just scan your QR code with whatever wallet you actually are using to deposit money into CoinEx, and then you'll be able to deposit it and basically just start trading, okay? Now, of course, you could also buy crypto if you don't have any on any other wallet, so you could also deposit it by going to quick buy over here and just basically buying some USDT using real money and any of these payment methods, okay? So that's how we could also do it, and I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.